Alright everyone, welcome to this Minecraft video here on the channel. This is going to be another Minecraft command block tutorial video, and I'm going to be showing you how to detect if two structures in the game are the same. So essentially we're going to be checking two regions of space in the game, and if they are exactly the same, then a detector we've made is going to activate. So that is what I'm going to be teaching you in this video here. As you can see, we have two structures that are almost the same. We have a detector over here, which will actually activate when both of them are exactly the same. When I actually place this block right here, you'll see that the detector has now activated with the redstone lamp right here. So we are checking both of these terracotta little structures I've made, and obviously you can make these a lot bigger. I'm just using a highly varied terracotta cuboid, if you like, as a test subject, but you could do lots of other different things with this. Now, I'm in Minecraft 1.21.4 and I'm on the Java edition. This only works for the Java edition with these commands I'm showing you in this video. But without further ado, I'm going to show you how this actually works. With the detector here, this is a very, very similar detector I've shown in many different videos I've done on the channel. Basically, how this works is that if they are not the same, it's actually able to reset itself, this detector. So there's actually an air block being placed on top of the detector right here, which allows it to actually reset itself. But if it is actually detected as being the same, then you get this persistent redstone lamp right here on the detector. So what ends up happening is it sets the block to air to allow it to reset, and then the chain command block right here actually does the region check, if you like, and if it's successful, it will place the lamp so that it can actually activate. And we have a repeating command block and a chain command block running into each other like this, and both of them are always active in the command block settings here. But it's pretty straightforward, this, and in order to actually get this to work, this is the routine I actually do. So what you need to do here is you need to know the direction of north, west, east, and south in the game. And one way of doing that is using the F3 menu here. And you can actually see on the left-hand side, it'll tell you if you're facing south or east or west and north and so on. And you can use that to actually figure out what direction you need to look in. And in order to do this check, you need 3 different sets of coordinates. Okay, so you need 3 different sets of block coordinates. The first block coordinate is the northwest bottom corner of your structure. So that happens to be right here in my case, but it needs to be as low as you can go with the particular structure you're checking, and it needs to be the northwest corner. So this is it right here. So I would note down what this block coordinate actually is using the F3 debug again. If you look on the right-hand side, you have the targeted block. So that is the block you're currently looking at. So that is what I will use within this tutorial here. The second block coordinate you need is the other opposite corner as high as you can go. So we are over here, firstly, but secondly, we go all the way up here. So this is the opposite corner as high as we can go on the structure. This is the second coordinate you need. And then the third coordinate you need is a destination point that it will check from in the second region. So what I do for that is I basically find the bottom northwest corner of the other region we're checking, which happens to be this one right here. So those are the 3 block coordinates you need, the 3 sets of block coordinates you need to get this command to work. So that is all we need really for the command. And once we have all of that, we can actually do the command we want to do. So In order to get this to work, we're doing a execute if blocks command. And if it is successful, we are then running a command, in response to that. And that allows us to check these two regions of space, I guess, within the world here. So I'm now going to show the commands in a text editor so I can show them in more detail. All right, everyone, we're now inside the text editor right here, and I'd urge you to watch this part of the video so you get to learn more about the command in general. And I will put the commands in the description of the video as well, so you can copy and paste them into your Minecraft and have a look for yourself. But the first command is what is used by the detector to reset itself. So we're just setting an air block above the detector. Within this particular case, we are using a bunch of relative coordinates here to set the air block. You may have to do something different in your particular case. Anytime I'm using relative coordinates in these commands here, you may have to do something different, but the second command is where the magic actually happens. So this is where we're doing the execute if blocks command, and we actually have 9 numbers in total for the parameters here. So the first 3 is the first set out of the set of block coordinates we went through. So this is the bottom northwest corner of the source region. We then have the opposite corner of the source region right here. And then we have the destination of the northwest corner that we're looking at. So those are the 3 sets of coordinates there. And then we have the setting we are using for the check. So we either have all, or you can use the masked setting. So if you use the all setting, it will check blocks and air blocks within your region you're checking in. If you use the masked version, then that basically ignores the air blocks and stuff. So basically, if there's any air blocks in the source area you're checking, then it does not matter what is in those particular blocks in the source. So that is why there is that difference there. And after that, we just have a very simple run set block command and place the lit redstone lamp. So that is it pretty much. Once you get your head around the destination and the source stuff, it's actually pretty straightforward to do this, and hopefully this has helped you out. All right, everyone, thank you for watching this video right here. If you did find this useful and you want to support the channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. It would be very much appreciated. And make sure to hit the bell so you're notified of new videos here on the channel. If you want to follow my socials, they are on screen and in the description. And if there's any other tutorials you want me to do, let me know in the comments down below, and I may do it for a future video. But stay happy and healthy, everyone. Hopefully you are enjoying these tutorials on the channel here in the new year of 2025. I hope to do some more soon. Take care. Bye-bye.